Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2019 Aston Martin DB11? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Front fuse boxes. The primary engine compartment in the 2019 Aston Martin DB11 houses the engine, ECU, and key mechanical systems. It supports vital functions like engine cooling, air intake, and power distribution. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2019 Aston Martin DB11 is located inside the cabin, typically near the passenger footwell or behind a panel. It controls interior electrical systems like infotainment, dashboard lights, power windows, and seat controls. Right engine compartment fuse box, 2019 Aston Martin DB11, components like the fuel system, lighting circuits, and cooling fans. The right power hold functions as a control point for maintaining electrical supply during engine start-stop cycles, ensuring systems like ignition and ECU remain powered briefly during transitions. Left engine compartment fuse box in 2019, Aston Martin DB11 supports engine management components, including sensors, ignition, and emission systems. The left power hold maintains power to key driver-side electrical systems, such as steering and safety modules, during ignition cycling, helping ensure uninterrupted control and communication. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2019 Aston Martin DB11 is located in the trunk area. It controls systems like taillights, fuel pump, trunk release, and rear sensors. This box ensures reliable operation of essential rear-end electrical components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.